Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 17C. Now we can start question number 20 onwards. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC, angle BCE is equal to 80 degree and angle BAC is equal to 25 degree. Find first one CAD, second angle CBD, third angle ADC. Given AB is parallel to CD and BCE is equal to 80 degree and BAC is equal to 25 degree. Join BD. So consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So exterior angle is BCE. So exterior angle will be equal to the opposite interior angle. So exterior angle of BCE, exterior angle is BCE. Opposite of this exterior angle is angle BAD. So we can write 80 degree. Exterior angle BCE is 80 degree. So 80 is equal to angle BAD. BAD we can split into two. BAD can be written as BAC plus angle CAD. So angle CAD is equal to what? 80 minus 25. So CAD is equal to 55 degree. That is our first part. Then what about CBD? CBD. Since CAD is equal to CAD is equal to 55. CBD also will be 55 because they lies in the same segment. CAD and CBD lies in the same segment. So CAD we got it as 55 degree here. CAD we got it as 55 degree. Then CBD also will be 55. That is they both lies in the same segment. That is our second part. Now consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. We want to find out which one ADC we want to find out. So we are considering the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. We want to find out ADC we want to find out. For that we need what? ABC also. If we got ABC then only we can write the sum of opposite angles supplementary. So we can directly find out ADC. If we get ABC we can find out ADC. So first our aim is to find ABC. Then only we will get ADC. Our question is we want to find out angle ADC. I think it is clear. So look at ABC. For finding ABC, this value we don't know. So ABC is equal to ABD plus CBD. Okay. Given AB is parallel to CD and BD is the transversal. So ABD, this angle will be equal to BDC. These two angles will be equal since these two are parallel lines, AB and CD are parallel. So these two angles will be equal. But we don't know the values. So BDC is equal to BAC. We want BDC. BDC we need. BDC we don't know. And ABD also we don't know. But BDC, for finding BDC, we know which angle? BAC. BDC lies in the segment BC. BAC also lies in the segment BC. So we know BAC is equal to 25 degree. So we can directly say that BDC also as 25 degree. Once again, BDC we don't know, but BDC we can find out. How? BDC and BAC lies in the same segment BC. We know BAC is 25 degree. So we can write BDC as 25 degree. Since BDC is equal to 25 degree, we can say these two are alternate angles. We can write ABD also as 25 degree. So this angle will be 25 degree. That is 25. So that is the Here it is written. These all calculations I wrote here. ABD is equal to 25. So now we discuss what. Consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. We know opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Now we got ABC. ABC is what? 55 plus 25 is what? ABC is 80 degree. So this total angle is 80 degree. This total angle is 80 degree. We want ADC. So sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So we can write, what about this angle? Total is 80. So this angle will be 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100 degree. So ADC is equal to 100 degree. Look at this. Angle ABC plus ADC is equal to 180 degree. ABC we got it as 80 degree. So substituting that in equation number 1, 80 plus ADC is equal to 180 degree. So ADC is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. Next question number 23. In the figure given below, AD is equal to BC, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle CBD is equal to 70 degree. Find first one angle BCD, second angle BCA, third angle ABC, fourth angle ADB. Given AD is equal to BC, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle CBD is equal to 70 degree. Since CBD is equal to 70 degree, we can say CAD also as 70 degree because angles in the same segment are equal. So CAD also will be 70 degree. This angle will be 70 degree. That is CBD is 70 degree, lies in the segment CD. So CBD is 70 degree means CAD also will be 70 degree. Then consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. That is, these two angles sum will be 180 degree. We have this BAD as 70 plus 30 is what? 100. So what about angle BCD? It will be, this total is 100. That is BAD, this is 100 degree. So what about this angle? Sum of this is 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus 100. So that is equal to 80 degree. So BCD is 80 degree. Then consider, look at that figure, that consider that cyclic quadrilateral. AD is equal to BC. So it is an isosceles trapezium. AB is parallel to CD also. So AB is parallel to CD means BAC will be equal to DCA. BAC we got it as 30 degree will be equal to DCA. So this two angles will be equal, that is this will be 30 degree. Since AB is parallel to DC, alternate angles, so BAC that is 30 degree will be equal to DCA, so that will be 30 degree. Then look at AD and BC side. Since AD is equal to BC, that is a chord. So we can write angle ABD will be equal to DAC. Angle ABD. Since AD is equal to BC, angle opposite to that side chord, that is AD, which is that angle ABD. So this will be equal to, ABD will be equal to, BC is the chord. So angle opposite to that is BAC. So How can we write that? DAC. So that too, sorry, if you are taking this will be equal to this angle we are taking now. So what will be? ABD will be equal to ABD will be equal to DAC. Why? How can we write that? So AD, opposite of this is AD is what? ABD, this angle. Then BC. So what is that? It is BAC. So these two will be equal. So we can write. So ABD is equal to BAC. I think some confusion is there. Once again I will repeat that. AB is equal to BC. So angle opposite to this side is ABD. That is ABD will be equal to BC. So what about BC? It will be BAC. BAC. This angle 30 degree. So we know BAC is 30 degree. So what about ABD? ABD also will be 30 degree. ABD, since these two are equal, ABD is equal to 30 degree. So we want to find out ABC. ABC is what? ABC, sum of 30 and 70, that is 30 and 70. ABC is equal to 100 degree. So ABC is equal to 100 degree is our third part. Second part is BCA. How can we find BCA? BCA total is 80 degree. Up to this is 30 degree. So what about this? 80 minus 30 is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, second part is angle BCA is equal to, how can we write? Angle BCD minus ACD. ACD which is equal to 80 minus 30 which is equal to 50 degree. Next we want to find out angle ADB. For that consider triangle ADB. So ADB, this triangle. We know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We want to find out this angle D. We know this angle A is 70 plus 30 is 100. This angle is 30 degree. So what about the remaining angle? Sum of angles is 180 degree. So here 100 plus 30, 130. So 180 minus 130 is what? 50 degree. So ADB we will get it as 50 degree. So you can just have ADB plus 100 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So ADB plus 130 is equal to 180. So ADB is equal to 50 degree. Thank you.